taking a hike and we found this huge tree, and then this random post that's probably said something at one time, and now it's just our graffiti post.
It's a big tree.
It is a very big tree. We're just taking this random trail.
I can't see what kind it is though. I can't see the leaves. It's so
It's a little
damn tough.
spooky. We're going off the bike trail. We're actually on the hunt for a stream for agate rocks, but don't know if it's gonna pan out. Get it? Pan out?
Yeah, it probably won't pan out.
Probably won't pan out. We can't find easy access to this creek. And it's very rocky. We got a tip on a Rockhounding site, but they didn't. Ooh!
Oh, there we go. That's what we were looking for.
All right, we gotta figure out how to get down there without
Killing ourselves?
Without breaking a leg.
This is it. This is
what we need.
This is what we're looking for.
All right, I'm not gonna record my attempt to climb down this, so we'll come back.
See here.
Robert will just jump. I'm gonna go a little further down to see if it's a little easy. You think you can do it? If I like jump into your arms? If you look to the right, does it look like it gets less steep? No. All right, so like right here is the way to go? All right. It's a little more trashy than I expected, but Robert found something cool right off the bat. Don't know what it is, but that's cool. So we are looking for banded agates. What is that? Is that a... No. Oh look, I am the queen of finding glass. I am the queen of finding glass.
It's a little shiny, or a little...
Oh, what is that? That does. And trash.
Lots of trash.
Lots of trash.
Big, dumpy, gross ass.
Here, take a bag, honey. If you find anything.
I am actually finding stuff, believe it or not.
Alright.
It could be trash. It could be skeletal remains.
That's not easy.
What is that?
What's what?
That right there.
Just something, oh, I don't know, glass. Oh, you found a piece of urban glass.
Urban glass.
Oh, and there's another piece. Ow, damn, I just got bit by a mosquito. Oh, sorry for the cussing. I'm bad. I'm so bad. So anyway, we are looking for banded agates. Robert knows what they look like. Oh.
This is kind of neat.
Mosquitoes! Darn, watch out for the mosquitoes. Oh, as you drop it. Where did it go? It's at my feet.
It's banded.
Is that a banded?
I don't know.
I don't know, it is kind of cool. I don't know. We're trying to get over the fact that we almost killed ourselves. There was no easy way. Easy way to get here. Alright. Oh my god. All I'm finding is glass. Alright, so what color is the agates? What am I looking for?
I'm looking for something like a net on that side.
A netting? Show me a picture. It's a cloudy day today. And I'm getting bit by mosquitoes. Oh my god, I'm getting bit by mosquitoes. I don't know, I'm supposed to bring bug spray. Is it sad that all I'm picking up is the glass? Alright. Fine banded agates. What's that? Nope. That's a mosquito. It's trying to kill me. Oh my god, that's a big piece of glass. I know. I'm finding more trash. I'm actually going to take all these glass and show me what it looks like.
See that?
Which, yeah. You're going to have to spot them. When I was coming down, there was a turtle swimming around, but I scared it. It was a big turtle. There should be no alligators. This is Missouri, but you never know.
That doesn't tell you nothing either.
That one has a hole in it. That's interesting. Oh, what's that? Just two pieces glued together. those are so... Okay, I like that one right there.
You're gonna see like swirls and crap in them.
Swirls? Swirls.
Swirls and
Looking for
swirls
swirls and twirls and crap.
I don't know.
Lots of
I'm
crap.
not sure, I don't know.
Yeah,
I'm just trying for what we have in the area.
Yeah, Missouri is not the best rock hounding state in the world, but since we're not going on vacation for a couple weeks,
I bet you could get some crawdads out of there though.
I'm sure we could get some crawdads.
But why do that when you can just pick them off the ground?
He joined a couple of rock hounding sites. They gave him a couple tips. Hopefully we'll find something. I miss my rock tumbler going. Trying to find some rocks to tumble. That's so pretty. Look at all those different colors. I'll take that one. Wait, there's always a chance of finding an arrowhead in Missouri, but you never know. Never know. Yep. Saturday afternoon. This is what we're doing. Smells like fish heads. Well, it does look a little dumpy, but actually this is the nicest part. This is just... We looked at a couple other sections. They were a little too trashy.
I don't want to know.
Yeah, it looks like someone's bong. Lovely. Yes, I usually pick up trash, but I'm not picking up someone's.
Oh, because this is going to just keep flooding. This area, it gets ridiculous.
Oh, so is this why there's a lot of trash? Because it flooded?
People died in this creek. Oh. Not in here, but they have.
Are you saying it could flood all of a sudden and we're in trouble?
Yeah, it goes crazy. It floods everywhere. People have lost their cars and stuff in it.
Did you watch Texas last night? There was like some extreme flooding in Dallas area.
Oh, I saw that, yeah.
All these cars got flooded.
Yep. This is that kind of place. Oh, I don't know how come you're going to shine up.
Try it. We got to get something because this is not an easy... was not easy to get to, that's for sure.
And I don't even know what I'm picking up, that's the problem.
Just pick up anything that strikes your fancy.
Strikes my fancy.
I know, do I sound like an 80-year-old woman? Strikes your fancy.
Good.
All I'm picking up is glass, so...
If you see a good rock, though.
I'm looking.
Don't sell it short.
I'm not selling anything short. Because there is a piece of glass and a rock. I can't stop. Why can't I find glass like this when we're in Florida? I mean, seriously. I'm actually gonna... I might tumble this glass and make my own little batch of urban glass. Even though it's already looking pretty good, I don't know that it really needs to be tumbled anymore. So when you like tumble rocks, if you find a piece of glass that you want to tumble some more to give it a more tumbled look, don't tumble it with rocks. It will disintegrate. You gotta gather enough glass to tumble glass with glass. Oh. That's beautiful. That's like a little geode. That's what we're looking for?
Sorta, maybe. I don't know.
I don't know.
I can act like I know, but I'll be honest, I don't know.
Act very professional, Robert. This is Missouri. I wish I was in Florida right now. But you know what? You gotta work with what you got. It's still kind of pretty.
Look a whole lot different than where we were.
True. Look at that. feel like that's a piece of glass that could use a little more tumbling. I'll let Robert find the rock. See, it's got a little frosted look. It's like, do you want it frosted more? Then you tumble it some more. Oh, look at that rock. Look at that. It's a rock within a rock. That's really cool. Oh, no, it went into my bag. Did you see that? It went into my bag. I think that was an agate. My braid keeps swimming. Does my braid keep swinging into view? My hair is pretty, but it gets in the way a lot. Look at that. And I'm really freaking. I don't think I look at that one. Yeah. No. Yes. Sure, why not? Maybe I'll just do a video of tumbling all this glass I keep finding. Make my own urban glass tumbling video. I can't stop. Oh, Robert, hopefully you're finding something, because all I'm doing is picking up glass. Oh, that leaf just scared the bejesus out of me. It was a leaf. It almost got me. It almost got me. Look at that. Or is that just because it's half wet? It's just something that has like black netting on it. I'm not seeing anything with black netting. Alright, I'm going to stop recording, and if I find anything good, I'll add to it, but all signs are pointing to, I'm just getting a whole bunch of glass. Look at that. I feel like I'm just a garbage collector right now. I'm just a garbage collector. Jeez Louise. You got anything good to show off before I stop recording? No?
A little discouraged.
Discouraged? He's getting discouraged. Alright, what is this? That's really fascinating. I'll keep that. Alright, he's gonna have to go back to his rockhounding friends and get more of a detail, because we're not absolutely 100% positive this is the right spot. But it was the only spot we could access without jumping down a cliff. And I wasn't jumping down a cliff. Well, I kind of did, but I know. See that? That's where we jumped down. We gotta figure out how to get back up there. Alright, we're getting ready to leave. I have a whole bag full, mostly glass. Robert?
I didn't do
hold
so
out,
long.
I know, hold out in front of the camera. He's a little more picky.
I'm picky.
As you can see. See?
I grabbed a leaf too.
I do, it's a very pretty leaf. I do see it.
We found more glass, I feel like, than...
Yeah, and a lot of it, and it's all old glass. It's all thicker old glass.
It looks like you found it with motion.
Yeah, it does.
It's very, very weathered.
Here, will you put that in your bag since I just filled mine?
It's not, a lot of this is new, but a lot of it is really old.
Alright.
I found some old...
see that? There's a turtle over there. I don't think you can see it.
Old tiles.
Old tiles, old pottery.
Like ceramic tiles and stuff.
So I kind of feel like it was just stuff revealed because of the recent flooding, but I don't know.
Well, if you look how high that water, how high that brush goes.
Yeah, see that black bag? That's like recent from, that's how high.
Look straight across from you,
See,
that's how high the water was.
That's how high the flooding got.
Actually, it was that high, because you can see stuff up
you
there
can
too.
see that, yeah.
So that tells you that's pretty darn high.
And that was just, what, in the last month?
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, 'cause somebody, again, tried to go through it across one of the roads.
Yeah.
And they had to be rescued. It's like, don't try to cross the frickin' road if you see water. I mean,
yeah.
Especially rushing water, because this creek goes crazy.
I can imagine. Alright. This is definitely a spot we will not repeat. We liked the one we went to near our house last week.
It's kind of disgusting.
Yeah, it's a little.
Ours is more wild.
Alright.
It's just nice.
Robert has to push my butt up this hill right here. I'm not videotaping that. It will be hilarious, but I'm not videotaping it. I just wanted to show you this cute graffiti on the trail. I wish I could make a snow like that. That's very cute graffiti. It's a snow trail. And let me try not to get even more muddy than I already. Don't fall, Robert. I saw you tumbling. I saw you wavering.
I can jump 8 feet.
Oh, whatever. My husband, the kangaroo. 60 feet?
No, 6. I can do
6 feet. Is that your high school record? 6 feet?
I have no idea. Standing still and jumping, I'm not sure.
Robert's one of those guys who relives his high school days. Tell me about these records that you've done in high school.
Well, okay, like grade school there were records, junior high there were records, and high school there were records. So I broke my brother's record of, I think, standing broad jump and 50-yard dash in junior high, and then he also had the record in grade school, and I beat that. So grade school, junior high, and then high school I don't remember.
A standing long jump?
Yeah, standing long jump, 50-yard dash, and I think the 100-yard dash. They split them in, it was like we did the 50 and the 100.
He can actually still, he can still jump pretty far. He's got some impressive leg power. I hear people. Alright, this is back the regular trail. There's a bike trail. This is where we deviated.
But yeah, they were my brother's records.
Scary bush.
He's what, 20 years older than me? So in 20 years, those records have stood.
That's impressive.
It's pretty impressive.
I got mud all over now.
And I guarantee the kids of nowadays, they make them with springier legs, so they probably...
I'm sure your records will beat. Is there a way to go to the website and see what the records are?
I don't know, that's their shoes. They got springs in their shoes.
Oh, is that what it is?
It's not, yeah, it's definitely not natural.
Will you hold my 20 pounds of glass? Yeah. Thank you, honey. Alright, we're heading back to the car. It's like a 2-mile walk from here. It's a beautiful day. Now I'm a little hot and sweaty though, because I was strenuous climbing up that mountain hill.
What trail is this?
This is the Grants Trail, right?
Yes, it is.
We're on the Grants Trail in St. Louis, or Missouri.
Going the opposite direction of Grant's farm.
Going away from Grant's farm. I wonder if Grant's farm's going to do anything Halloween this year.
I think they are.
Cool.
I think they did. They didn't do Christmas.
But you think they'll do something for Halloween?
I thought I saw something about Halloween.
Alright, we'll have to check that out.
They gotta have something Halloweeny.
Halloweeny?
Halloween.
Is that a word?
Yeah. What's that?
That's a Pokemon that I don't have. Darn it. And I can't play because Holly's playing my account. I'm really jealous. I gotta call her and see if I can play my account yet.